welcome my dear students. This is Sudhanshu Kumar. I am here with a new poem, A Legend of the Northland. A Legend of the Northland is a ballad, and a ballad is a song narrating a story in short stanzas. The poem is written by Hope Carey. She was an American poet. According to the poem, the traditional story is about an old, greedy and selfish woman. She was baking delicious cakes in the evening. While preaching the words of song around the earth, St. Peter was very tired and hungry. He arrived at her cottage to get something to eat. He asked her for a piece of cake. She had no desire to share things with others. She was miser and ungenerous. She therefore tried to bake a small cake, but each time she baked, she felt the cake was too big to give away. She made a cake as thin as a wafer, but did not give him to eat. In fact, she had no intention of giving a large cake to the saint waiting for a single cake at the door. She put all the baked cakes on the shelf. Watching her inhuman behavior, Saint Peter got angry. In his anger, he says that she is a very selfish person to be living in a human form. He cursed that she would have to make her house like a bird does and make holes in the dry hard wood all day in search of food. Soon after, the woman vanished up into the chimney and came out as a woodpecker. She was transformed into a bird. In fact, the main idea of writing the legend is to show in the minds of the children the value of kindness, generosity, and charity. So the message is clear. A person who is greedy and selfish suffers in the end. So we must be kind and generous to those who are in need of. Thank you. Thanks a lot.